Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pawan, and today we're diving into something super exciting for all cybersecurity lovers and aspiring ethical hackers. If you are looking to level up your hacking skill, network with top minds, and get hands-on experience, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 9 best ethical hacking conferences to attend in 2025, where you can learn, grow, and even get recruited. Whether you're just starting out or already deep into cybersecurity game, these conferences are where the magic happens. So grab a notepad, let's go globally with best hacking events of the year. Let's kick things off with the legendary THOTCon 33. It's not just a conference, it's an experience. Picture hacker village, live CTFs, hardware hacking, and even lockpicking. You'll find talk by top ethical hackers, creative contest, and the raw energy of global hacking community. Pro tip, bring cash, not just card. DEFCON is hackers paradise after all. Just before DEFCON, we have Black Hat USA, more formal but deeply technical. It's ideal for professionals who want briefing on cutting edge vulnerabilities and hands-on training. From red teaming to advanced malware analysis, you will learn from the best and meet the leaders from both the offensive and defensive side of cybersecurity. Hot tip, if you can attend both Black Hat and DEF CON, they are back to back. Next up, BSides. These are community driven conferences happening across the globe. They are smaller, cheaper, and more personal. Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Great place to connect, present, or volunteer. If you're looking for a first cybersecurity conference, BSides is a great place to start. STV is known for technical depth. It's where seasoned hackers gather for reverse engineering, exploit development, and advanced red teaming. What makes it stand out? High quality training, real world exploits, and hands on labs. If you're ready to get serious, HITV is your playground. Ready to mix hacking with beaches? Welcome to Nullcon Goa, one of the Asia's most exciting security event. It features top-notch speakers, red team villages, and training from experts across the globe. Bonus, amazing food and a festive vibe. Great place for Indian hackers or anyone looking to explore a global hacking scene. ThoTCon in Chicago's underground hackers conference. Intimate, affordable, and packed with quality. If you get single track talks, great halfway conversations, and hacker batch building fun. Plus, it has a chill local feel that big cons sometimes misses. Perfect if you prefer low key over mega conference chaos. Kansec West is a gold mine for advanced hackers. It's known for high technical talks and born to own the ultimate live hacking contest. If you love vulnerability research and software exploitation, Kansec West is a must. Not the biggest crowd, but definitely some of the smartest. The Dyna initiative focuses on diversity and inclusion in cybersecurity. It's friendly, empowering space for women, non-binary folks, and aliens. The vibe uplifting. You'll find workshop, career support, and a strong community focus. Oh, and it runs right before DEFCON. Win-win. Finally, we go to Europe with Rooted DevCon, a respected hacker conference with contests in both Spanish and English. Topics: malware, exploit dev, red teaming, and cybercrime. If you are based in Europe and want a change of scene, this one's a great pick. Before you go, here are some quick tips. First, book early. Tickets, flights, hotels. Second, join villages and CTF. Don't just attend talks, get hand-on. 3. Networking. Talk to people. That's where the real learning begins. 4. Follow up. Stay in touch with folks you meet. Opportunity happens after the event. That's it for the today's video on the top 9 best ethical hacking conferences to attend in 2025. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you don't miss more cybersecurity content. I post weekly tips on hacking, tools, and career path. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep hacking ethically.